Bitter gourd, bitter melon, or sometimes known as chlorella, is a food that is hated yet enjoyed by many. Did you know that this unpalatable gourd is also an effective Ayurvedic treatment for diabetes? Drop us a like, stick with us till the very end, and we will share this secret with you. Let's first take a quick look at diabetes before moving on to the Ayurvedic treatment. The word diabetes, which derives from a Greek word that means siphon or to pass through, was first used by a Greek doctor named Aretaeus of Cappadocia in the 2nd century AD. He saw frequent urination, thirst, and sweetness in the urine of his patients, which led him to name the ailment diabetes mellitus, which translates to honey siphon. High blood sugar levels are a hallmark of the metabolic condition known as diabetes mellitus. The most prevalent type of diabetes, type 2, develops when the body becomes insufficiently or increasingly resistant to insulin. According to Ayurveda, diabetes results from an imbalance of the doshas, particularly kapha and pitta. Effective diabetes management requires addressing the underlying causes and using a holistic approach. According to the ancient texts, bitter gourd's astringent flavor stimulates the pancreas to create insulin, which aids in controlling blood sugar levels. Here are a few advantages that your body will experience when you drink bitter gourd juice on an empty stomach daily. Number 1. Balancing blood sugar levels. Blood sugar levels are controlled by bitter gourd juice because of its hypoglycemic qualities. It contains polypeptide P, an insulin-like substance that helps reduce blood glucose levels by boosting pancreatic insulin secretion. Those with type 2 diabetes may benefit from this in particular. Number 2. Increases insulin sensitivity. The bitter juice aids in increasing insulin sensitivity, enabling the body to use its own insulin more efficiently. This can improve the cell's ability to absorb glucose and lessen insulin resistance, which is a major problem in type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Prevents blood sugar increases after meals. Bitter gourd's juice has been demonstrated to help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Its active ingredients help to moderate the rate at which glucose is absorbed from the intestines, reducing the likelihood of post-meal rises in blood sugar. Number 4. Improves pancreatic health. The pancreas is essential for producing insulin properly, and chlorella juice has a favorable effect on pancreatic health. It benefits those with both type 1 and type 2 diabetes because it encourages the pancreas to release insulin and promotes its general health. Number 5. Aids with weight management. Insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes are two conditions made worse by obesity and excess body weight. Due to its low calorie count and high fiber content, chlorella juice supports weight control efforts by promoting fullness, lowering cravings, and promoting satiety. A healthy weight must be maintained if diabetes is to be adequately managed. Now that we know the benefits of bitter gourd on an empty stomach, here is a straightforward recipe for making chlorella juice. Take 2 to 3 medium-sized bitter gourds. Wash them thoroughly and remove the seeds. Chop the bitter gourds into small pieces. Put the pieces in a blender and blend until you get a smooth consistency. Strain the juice into a glass. You can add a small amount of lemon juice or honey to improve the taste, optional. Drink this juice on an empty stomach every morning. Due to its bitterness, chlorella juice can be difficult to drink, although it has many advantages. Begin with a tiny dose and gradually raise it in accordance with your tolerance. Consistency is important when utilizing natural medicines. In conclusion, diabetes can be effectively managed by including this bitter gourd juice in your daily routine along with a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and the right herbal supplements. However, it's imperative to speak with your doctor before making any big adjustments to your diabetes management strategy. We appreciate your viewing and hope you learned something from it. If you enjoyed it, it would mean so much to us if you dropped us a like on this video. If you'd like to stay in touch with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for natural health remedies. Also, do check out our other videos here. Take care and stay healthy.